Welcome to your SkyPlug rod fixture installation guide. It is important to determine the fixture hanging height before cutting the wire. Typical fixture hanging height is 66 inches from the bottom of the fixture to the floor and 36 inches to the tabletop. For the metal rod assembly, you will be using the finial nut and the swivel pendant finial from the kit. The pendant finial attaches to the standard 1/2 inch diameter metal rods. There is also an extra threaded adapter provided in case you have a larger 5/8 inch diameter metal rod on your fixture. If you haven't already done so, remove the original canopy and hardware from the light fixture. After determining your desired fixture height, leave about 6 inches additional wire length for the connection to the SkyPlug. Place the finial nut from the kit down the rod, followed by the canopy with the decorative side facing down. Insert the fixture wire through the swivel pendant finial. Loosen the screws on top of the SkyPlug to allow the wires to be inserted into the wiring terminals. Holding the SkyPlug in one hand, carefully pull up and twist the swivel towards the SkyPlug to tighten, keeping the SkyPlug completely still. Do not over-tighten or over-twist the wires. Strip the edge of each wire to 3/16 inches. Twist the copper wire to help prevent any loose strands. Insert the live wire into the terminal marked L. Live is black color or wire with writing and a smooth edge. Tighten the screws to ensure the wire is firmly secured and cannot be pulled out. Insert the neutral wire into the terminal marked W. Neutral is white color or wire with writing and with a rough edge. Insert the ground wire into the terminal marked G. Ground is usually bare copper or a green color. Some fixtures may not be supplied with a ground wire. You are now ready to install your light fixture by plugging it into the Sky outlet. To install, hold the fixture and press the push button on the side of the SkyPlug. Keep the button pressed in until inserted into the Sky outlet. Once fully inserted, let go of the push button and push up on the SkyPlug to lock it in. You should hear a clicking sound. Slide the lighting base canopy up to the ceiling. Secure the canopy with the finial nut. The SkyPlug has 2 sets of locking bearings to support the light fixture. The first set mechanically secures the SkyPlug to the Sky outlet. Once the SkyPlug is fully inserted, the second set locks into place and allows for both electrical contact and mechanical support. If the SkyPlug drops down, the fixture is not fully engaged. Repeat the process if needed. Press the SkyPlug button. Once inserted, let go and push up towards the ceiling until you hear a clicking sound. To remove the fixture, press the push button on the side of the SkyPlug to release the fixture. Lastly, if desired, use the center cap to cover and protect the Sky outlet while painting, cleaning, or maintenance. To install, align the 2 slots on the cover plate and turn to secure. You have successfully installed your plug-and-play luminaire.